We're really happy that we did the switch.
We sold our house and bought a toilet. It's a treat.
Hi there, we are A.Van.de-Groot. Our van's name is Gertie. My name is Lisa.
And I'm Jamie. So this is Gertie. She's a 170-inch wheelbase van. I'm just going to talk about a few of the things that we've added to it since we got it. We've got the hella horns in the front. We've got the 3M protection on the hood and the fenders and the headlights. We upgraded to the KO2 all-terrain tires for mud and snow. We've got the window deflectors. We tinted the windows. We have step rails on the driver and passenger side. We have 600 watts of power on the roof on a solar rack. And we also have 2 max air fans, one at the front and one at the back. And on the other side, we have 1 sliding window. I got infatuated with tiny homes, and she basically said, well, I don't want a tiny home on wheels because I don't want to drive it around. And I said, well, we're not going to drive it around, we're just going to park it. But she said, what's the point of having a tiny home with wheels on if you're just going to park it? So that kind of made sense.
Welcome to the inside of our van. We've added to our van a swivel seat, which has been great, especially when it comes to using our slide-out tabletop here. On top of that, having access to our newly added Lagoon table arm. This swivels out. It'll lower, again, to be able to use it here, or on top of our bench, we're able to utilize the table space. So Jamie and I could each have our own tabletop to work on or have our meals. So we love that new addition. As well, this is our fridge freezer. We utilize it as a bench. This here is a storage box, but it also becomes my step up to be able to get up here to sit, and becomes a footrest as well. Coming along here, our ceiling, we added a bit of trim, to hide the joins. Our lighting is some marine lighting, so you can either have both lights on or have one light on too. Our drawers here, we did some slide-out drawers with the marine locks. All our storage is in here. We love our dovetailed drawers. It's well held together. And coming along here, great countertop, for cooking, cutting. Our oven that we put up here sometimes to bake bread. And security features for us. Well, when I say safety, we did add our fire extinguisher up here, and we added a smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector as well. For privacy, we did some IKEA curtains. So for stealth, we just draw these and it gives us the privacy back here. One other thing we did, Jamie mentioned about the step up. So this is on the passenger side now. We added a handrail for me, being vertically challenged, but also that over 55 club, you need a little bit more support to get in the van. So that helps a lot as well. We insulated with sheep's wool, you can see right here. It's been wonderful. Love the insulation.
We built as much of it as we could that we felt comfortable with. We insulated it, we cut holes in it, we built floors, put up paneling, we made the bed frame.
We're saying this now, we only want to do it once.
That's why we took 18 months to do it, because I wanted to do it right the first time, and I didn't want to go back and go, we should have done this, could have done this, and okay, now we're going to do 2.0.
Yeah, no, because of our age too, right?
Oh yeah, I'm never doing that again. Never. No. Okay, so we're going to take a look at underneath the bed now, which we like to call the garage. So on the left-hand side, we have three 100 amp lithium batteries. We have a 3000 watt inverter. We have the ability to have shore power, and we also have an alternate charge relay, which allows us to charge the batteries when we're driving if we don't get enough sun. We have lighting underneath here. We have both of our bikes in here mounted to the floor. On the right hand side, we have an 80 liter fresh water tank with a marine pump, and we have lots of room for storage, and we have our table and a chair that we can store up above hanging from underneath the bed, and then we have our pull-out slide for storage. We have lots of on-top storage and additional storage underneath, and the best part of this is the beer fridge.
We're at the beginning when we got the empty shell, and we would go in there and we're trying to figure out, you know, how we want it set up the inside. And so then the next day we'd be like, okay, let's start. And he's like, we can't just start, Lisa. It's still a lot of planning. I think we spent so many weekends just sitting in the van.
On the driveway,
yeah,
just looking at the floor with a roll of tape, going, we're never going to get this van done.
So this is the kitchen side of our van. On top here we have a single sink with the attached drain board. As well, we have our tap here. And what we really like about this is to have the ability to fill our Berkey water filter system right from the sink. Over here is our little Rolodex door, and under here we have our oven. It's on a nice slider, so when we're ready to take it out, you know, it easily comes out for Jamie and I to both lift. Under here we have more storage. And then coming across, we have in here our garbage and also our gray water jug. Now our Berkey water filter is being held by a nice little area here. As well, our steps to get to bed, and then more storage underneath. Now every girl's dream, they want their own little drawer. So this is mine. I've got all my perfume and makeup and stuff in here. And we have a vent coming out here from our diesel heater. So it heats in the living area and also under the bed, keeps everything warm under the bed. Now everybody always wonders, where's the toilet? So here it is. We've got it on a nice slide out. It's a composting toilet and slides right back in. So this is our bed area. We have almost a queen size mattress here. We went to a company in Toronto who will custom make a mattress for you. So we went there and we told them the exact size that we want, and it's been great. As well, we have our cubbies here for our clothing. Jamie's side, my side. Everybody has their own little bucket and little, cubes here. We keep our socks and underwear. It's been great. Actually, behind here is our easy access to turn our fans on and off if we need to. Along the side here, we had a little bit of room, so we use it for storage, whether it's extra blankets. There's some books down at the back there. And then what I love is our window that we added. So Jamie sleeps on this side, so he loves, in the morning to peek out and see what's going on out there, or just to take in the view. I love waking up first thing in the morning, opening that door, and just
Different
embracing.
view every day.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what's nice.
And I like to get up early to chase the sunrises while he's in the bed sleeping.
I know.
I'd be like, get up, look at the sun.
It comes up every day. I'll get it tomorrow. Like, just leave me alone. Yeah.